I am so happy and I am so grateful, and finally, nabili na rin po namin itong pinapangarap ko pong automatic washing machine. Through hard work, samahan po natin ng sipag at syaga, and i-trust po natin yung process ni Lord. Talagang dreams do come through po. So, just wanna share lang po, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!